Test 1 2 3. Test. Test 1 2 3.
1 2 1 2. Oh, check 1 2.
Ah, yes. Fiddles.
I traveled all over this whole wide world playing songs for smiling faces. From Idaho to old Oslo and 1,000 other places. Well, I don't mean to gripe or brag, sure the high life has been grand, but I'd trade my wage just to be on stage in Texas with the band.
All right.
Welcome back to the Longhorn.
And without further ado, I want to welcome our host. Give a big round of applause and welcome to our friend Edwin Kaplis.
I said Longhorn Ballroom, are you out there tonight? Welcome to the Longhorn Ballroom. Welcome Asleep at the Wheel.
Good evening, everybody.